This land will soon become Chongqing East Railway Station. Right now, it's just open ground, but every
Keep it
line
tight,
being
right
marked
here.
here defines what comes next. Survey teams
Got it,
measure
looks good.
distances with
Snap in the
precision,
line.
mapping out the future structure. Machinery begins arriving, and the first cuts into the earth begin the transformation. Before anything can rise, everything must be carefully planned, measured, and prepared from the ground up.
This entire space will soon transform into one of the largest train stations ever built.
And ready. Watch the dust. Keep surveying.
Keep leveling over there. Move the excavator to the right. Watch the markings, don't cross them. Push that dirt faster.
Every measurement here determines the scale of what will rise above.
Excavators dig deeper, removing thousands of tons of soil, while trucks move constantly to clear the site. What looks chaotic is actually controlled and precise.
How deep does this section need to go? Nearly 12 meters. It has to support the main terminal load. Okay.
Each trench follows a strict plan. This stage is critical. The deeper and more accurate the excavation, the stronger and more stable the structure above will eventually become.
This ground has to be completely stable before anything can rise above it.
All right, over there, dump it. Back a little, down, hold. Watch the dust. Keep it tight there. Almost got it. Push hard. One more.
You don't really feel the scale until you look down into it.
The soil is compacted and reinforced to handle enormous weight. Water is introduced to control dust and prepare the ground, while drainage paths are carefully formed. These unseen layers play a critical role. If the ground isn't stable, nothing above it will last. This is where long-term strength is built, even though it won't be visible later.
All right, just a little more. Stuck again? Yeah, this mud is heavy. The drainage trench runs along here exactly to spec. Good.
What about the compaction zones?
The rollers finished this section 10 minutes ago. Perfect density. Measure 32 feet. Holding it tight. Ready? Snap. Check that, 32.2. Got it.
Below the surface, the real support begins. Massive drilling rigs bore into the earth, creating deep shafts that will hold the structure in place.
Keep it steady. Watch the marks. Ready. Feeding it in now. Stop. Mark 50 meters.
This is where the entire weight of the station will transfer into the ground.
Steel reinforcement cages are lowered in, followed by concrete that fills each pile. Thousands of these foundations work together, anchoring everything firmly. This is the hidden framework that carries the entire weight of what will be built above.
How many of these will go in?
Thousands. Every one of them holds a piece of the station above.
Keep scraping until it's clean. Make sure the surface is ready. Almost done here. Move the debris to the side.
Line it up there. A little lower.
The first visible structure begins to take shape. Concrete caps connect the deep foundations, distributing weight across the site.
Keep it steady. Make sure you hit the
Steel reinforcement grids are installed, locking everything together before more concrete is poured.
Keep it flowing steady, don't rush. Watch that corner there. Crane, bring it in a bit closer. All right, heave. A little more to the left. Good, hold it there. Level looks good, secure it.
You can start to see the footprint. It's no longer just ground.
Slowly, the ground transforms into a defined structural base. For the first time, the layout becomes visible, a clear footprint of what will soon grow into something much larger.
Line it up, right there. Hold it steady. Supports are locked. Solid now.
Line up the panels. Hold it steady. Tighten the bolts here. Secure the base now.
This is where everything changes. The station is no longer just on the ground. It's starting to rise.
Now, the structure starts to rise. Columns extend upward from the foundation, forming the first vertical elements.
Watch the cable. Guide it to the right. Slow it down, we're almost there.
Concrete is poured into tall molds, creating strong load-bearing supports. Cranes move constantly above, lifting materials into position. This marks a major turning point. The project is no longer just groundwork. It's becoming a physical structure that begins to shape the space around it.
Now you can finally feel the scale starting to take shape.
The frame spreads outward in every direction. Beams connect columns, forming a growing skeleton. Elevated platforms are installed, and new levels begin to take shape. Work continues even through the night under powerful lighting. Piece by piece, the structure expands horizontally and vertically.
They've moved off the ground now. This is where the station starts taking real shape above the foundation.
The scale becomes undeniable. What started as a foundation is now clearly becoming a massive building.
Keep it moving, lads. Spread it thin. Pull towards you, watch that edge. Steady now, don't let it pull.
In a couple of weeks, the transformation is already significant. The structure has expanded rapidly, with more beams and platforms extending across the site.
Now it's no longer just a framework. You can see the size of what this station is becoming.
Crews work across multiple levels at once, each team focused on a different section. What was once open space is now layered with structure. The size and complexity continue to grow as the station begins to take on its full form.
Keep it steady, down a little more. Guide it in, we're good. Locking it now, clear the area.
Now the systems that make everything work are installed. Cables, ducts, and pipes are carefully positioned throughout the structure.
Before walls and finishes, everything inside has to be planned. Power, drainage, airflow, all of it runs through here.
These systems will power lighting, ventilation, and operations. Every component must fit precisely before the walls are closed. It's a detailed and complex stage. Once everything is sealed, access becomes limited. This is what turns a structure into a fully functional environment.
Keep it moving, guys. Watch your step on the ramps. Machinery's clear for the lift. Line it up.
The building begins to close in. Exterior panels and glass are installed, transforming the open frame into a defined space. Roofing expands overhead, shielding the interior from the elements.
All the systems that make the station function, they go in before anything gets covered.
Line it up, right there. Got it. Need the...
As sections are enclosed, lighting and atmosphere inside begin to change. The structure now starts to resemble a finished building, with both its exterior identity and internal environment taking shape.
Everything has to fit together perfectly. Once it's closed up, there's no easy way back in.
All right, lowering the panel now. Watch the alignment. Looks good, position it. Securing the top bolts, tighten it down. Cables releasing, panel is locked.
Keep it steady. To the left. Slow. Hold it, that's it. Secure the edges now. Caulk it in.
Now the structure starts to close in, turning it from a frame into a building.
Keep it steady. Slowly.
Watch the alignment.
Stop. Lower just a bit. Good. Hold.
Line it up here. Get the screw gun ready. Press against the insulation. Secure the edge tight.
The schedule seems tight.
We'll manage, just follow the plan.
Looks grand already.
It's changing fast. You can already feel it becoming a real station.
Line up the third section. Copy that, moving into position. Secure the clamps on the east side.
Welcome to the future. This incredible project is taking shape right before our eyes.
Keep it even. We need a smooth surface.
2 meters to the next section.
Watch your step with the wet concrete.
Keep going with the compactor, let it settle. Stop. Let me check the level here. Looks good, perfect grade.
This is where passengers will eventually stand inside the China Mega train station. Right now, it's still just the foundation.
Line up with the mark. Ready the screw.
Through.
Secure the base.
Through.
Check the level here.
Line it up here. Hold it steady. Hold it steady. Torque it down. Got it. Okay, lower them.
Inside, it starts to feel real. Platforms are formed, walls are built, and the layout becomes recognizable.
You can finally see it turning into a real space inside the China Mega train station, not just structure anymore.
Spaces are no longer just structural, they're functional. Escalator shafts, ceilings, and pathways begin to define how people will move through the building. For the first time, you can imagine the final purpose. It's no longer just construction, it's becoming a place designed for use.
Perfect. Stop. Good, good. Set it down. Secure. All right.
The final details bring everything together. Floors are polished, lighting is fully installed, and seating areas are positioned. Digital displays and signage are added, guiding future passengers.
This part of the China Mega train station is starting to look like what people will actually experience.
The raw construction fades away, replaced by a clean, finished environment. Every detail now serves a purpose. This is what people will see and experience when the building finally opens to the public.
Cables in. Checking signal now.
Now, everything must be tested. Systems are powered on and carefully checked. Lighting, escalators, safety systems, and track alignment.
Now the China Mega train station isn't just being built, it's being prepared to operate.
Hold it there. Just a little to the left.
Okay, locking it in now.
Check from the floor. Good work. Looks straight. Main systems online. All stations activate diagnostics.
Copy that. Running checks now.
Initiating network trace.
All right, engaging. Check alignment. Adjusting speed. Perfect. Readings look good now. Lights are stable. Confirmed.
The China Mega train station is built. Now everything has to be tested before it can open.
右移一点哈，好了吗？好了吗？差不多了哈。对齐了。对齐了哈。
A train enters for the first time, slowly and precisely. Every movement is monitored. Nothing is left to chance. Before opening, everything must work exactly as intended. This stage ensures that the entire system performs safely and reliably.
That's the first train inside the China train station, but it's still not ready for passengers yet.
Alarm initiated. Smoke dispensing. Monitoring data. Alarm slowing. Data stable. Systems reset complete.
The train to Sector 7 is now boarding at Platform 3. Thank you for choosing interstellar transport. Final checks on the North Gate are complete.
Security is online, ready for boarding.
Now it finally comes alive. The doors open and people begin to fill the space. Movement replaces silence. Trains arrive and depart, passengers navigate the platforms, and the entire system operates continuously. What began as empty land is now fully functional.
The China Mega train station is finally open, and now it starts doing what it was built for.
Every stage led to this moment, a complete transformation into a working station serving thousands of people every day.